It's going to be interesting to see who everyone goes for once once we're allowed to marry people, though. I got some candidates. Not going to say who they are, but I got some candidates. So, but whether or not they're going to be available for marriage is another thing. The cold chicks. The cold chicks. Drawing a blank on that one, Ray. I don't know what you're talking about. I mean, are you talking about the deputy mayor? And his wife and the two girls that were talking to them when we finished that quest? Leave it blank then. All right. No, one major improvement I do want to see on the game, though, is at least the ability to drop off at one other drop point. That would be nice. Okay, yeah, I know who you're talking about. I know who you're talking about. And that's just it. We got to find out whether or not they're available. We don't know. I mean, what if that character is used in a major storyline development? Yep, root beer. Always root beer. It's the only thing I drink. Root beer and water. Well, milk every now and then, but... Yep. Yep, Gargoyle is the Dr. Pepper guy. I'm the root beer guy. So... Yep. Yep, good old Faygo here. I don't know if you can see it or not, but good old Faygo. It is made in Michigan, so some good stuff. You really can't go wrong with root beer, though. So there you go, Faygo. If you're listening, you know, sponsorship maybe, huh? Hint, hint. Nudge, nudge, wink, wink. Always look on the bright side of life. Always look on the bright side of life. You're looking for the Miller Lite one? Yeah. When I was in the service, I could drink beer like no other. When I got back, and that was when I was in Europe. When I got back to the States, all the beer tasted like water, and I had to stop because I would drink so much of it, and nothing would happen. So, the Germans, man, they know how to make their beer, that is for sure. All rich, full flavor. Goes down smooth. You don't get the headaches or the hangovers afterwards. It's nice. It's a nice heavy beer, you know. Not like a Guinness or anything like that. It's not that. It's not that heavy, but you know, just with the wheat and the hops that they use, it's all real good. But no, back when I was a beer drinker, Miller was my choice. I mean, I was a Miller Genuine Draft. So the good old MGD. Watch out, car. Man, they drive crazy on those turns. I mean, I should talk. Here I am driving on 2 lanes of the road. I don't know what side of the road to drive on. There, we just drive right on the line. That way I know exactly where I'm going. Follow the yellow brick road. Follow the yellow brick road. Yeah, right there, reckless, yep. Ugh. Makes me want to, you know, like, drive a tractor in Wreckfest. Well, I mean, they might be able to get me for reckless driving, but they're definitely not going to get me for speeding in this vehicle. That is for sure. No speeding allowed in this vehicle. Time for supper. Still have you up on PC? All right, I'm entertaining the family, huh? All right. Give my best wishes to Captain Caveman over there and to Mrs. Gargoyle. Alrighty. I think we got one more load to do after this, too. He just lit up. There we go. Captain Caveman! Yep. Oh, man. At least it's a good thing I know the way to the mill by heart, probably by now. I could probably almost drive it with my eyes closed. Not that I'm going to try to, because I'd probably end up in the lake. But, oh man, that guy, oh, he blew an axle, but it looked like he must have got it fixed. Alrighty, doom. Tiny bubbles in my beer makes me happy that I'm almost here. Sunny bubbles in my wine makes me happy. It makes me feel fine. All right, the military is coming out in me. Too many cadences stuck in my head, and half of them I can't say or don't want to say. They don't really go for that family-friendly atmosphere, you know what I mean? So. Alright, so can we get this done? I'm thinking we'll be able to get to the 45,000. So at least buy the tractor. I'm hoping anyways. Okay, it's gonna be really close here. I mean, I guess worst thing we could do is we could grab a truck full of wet pallets. We could do that. Oh, excuse me. All right. I so wanted to do this today. We gotta be able to get it. Gotta be able to get it. Can this be like Grand Theft Auto and we can start hitchhiking, you know, people's cars and stealing them and selling them? I'm sure those vans go for pretty good money. Or we could catch like 1,000 fish and sell it. We don't even need a lumberjack at all. We can just sit at the lake and catch fish all day long and sell it. We'll make up our new game inside a game. Call it Fisherman's Dynasty. Well, we'll smell like fish and have worm guts all over us. And we'll never pay off the uncle because we don't want to be a lumberjack, you know? We can just do it whatever we want. Yes, the new tractor will be nice, especially just getting up this hill. I want to say the 134 horsepower can do 30, 35, 39, something like that. 30 something anyway, so I mean almost twice as much as what we're averaging now, so that'll be nice. So having the ability to cut down more trees is always good. Or cut down more trees faster anyways, because hopefully we'll be able to drive into the rougher terrain a little bit better instead of having to carry them all the time. I mean, we could have done some more dailies too, but I mean, we had a find a sheep and we had 2 transports, I think. So the 2 transports probably would have gave us, let's say, $600-700. So, and the find a sheep only gives you $50, but it gives you all the greenhouse seeds. So, and I think greenhouse seeds I'm okay with for now. I mean, you really don't need a lot of greenhouse seeds. Not yet anyways. Oh, we still got almost 2 loads here. Yeah, we still got 1 more load here. So, yeah, we're definitely going to get a tractor today. We are definitely going to get a tractor. Okay. And then I'll be able to do this trip so much faster. Why can't I work out a deal with that company and have them come down here with a truck or a big trailer, and then I can just unload and give it to them? I'm curious on what workers are going to do, though. I mean, are they just going to clear a field and drop it off into the water? I mean, because there's really not much a worker could do. I mean, unless they're talking about the replanting part too. I mean, unless there's the replanting, maybe fertilizing, watering, all that good stuff, you know. I don't know. I mean, because most tree farms would grow their trees, you know, in a lot better rows and stuff like that, so. And they would always stagger the growth time. Therefore, the trees in the back wouldn't be done before the trees in the front, you know, type of thing. So. I don't know, though. All different possibilities that could come into this game. You know, and if you haven't done so already, go to their Discord page. You know, if you can think of a suggestion, boom, put it down there. They have a whole subcategory of suggestions. You run into bugs, boom, put it down there. You want to find out about something, ask a question. There's tons of people in there that will gladly answer anything and everything. And if you want to just go in there and talk, there is a section just on that. English, German, it doesn't matter. We'll find a way to communicate with you. I want to say there's, I want to say I saw an Italian guy doing it today. Streaming anyways. I think it was Italian. I could be wrong. Could be looking at another game, I don't know. But I think it was. So, I mean, I know that they're going to add different languages to this game. So, and they are in the process of doing that, I do believe, so. That could be also part of the next update, is more languages. Come on. Oh, yep, we need that last load. And we'll get it. We're going to get it with the last load. And then we will officially have a new trailer, or new tractor again. We already had it one time, but we sold it. We got rid of it all because we found a money exploit and we got rid of all that good stuff. And we went back to the good way, legit way, the non-cheating way of playing. So we just kept on grinding it out. But I want to say I've either paid the uncle 150,000 or maybe we've only paid him 100,000. I mean, we've been grinding quite a bit here, and all the money's been going to pay off the uncle. Well, it's time to put a little money back into our business here, so we need to do it. We need to do it. It's time to reward ourselves with a little bit of good stuff here. If only this tractor would hurry up and do it, because I'm in a rush now. Come on, let's go. Hurry up. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Hurry, hurry, hurry. It's not listening to me. I mostly want it just for this hill. All right. Pick up our last load of bark. Take it on down. Hurry up and go buy a tractor. You know, got to get them before they're all sold out, you know. Well, I mean, yeah, that tree bark looks pretty tasty. Tasty as in more money. Hopefully our apples are ready to pick pretty soon. We are gonna need some more food eventually. We sold all the food that we had just to buy the truck. Fill her up. There we go. $210 extra to go. So that means that we just got to cut down a lot more trees. I think we still have more chipboard we can sell too. All right, just so we can get rid of this, these messages here. I'll just eat some more. Oh, that's right. We can't eat and drive at the same time. Forgot they changed that. All right, so this is our last round trip here. To finally get it. I wonder if anyone's bought the Jeep so far. Not the Dune Buggy, but the Jeep. I don't know what the purpose of the Jeep would be. I don't know if it handles better in the off-road or... I mean, I would assume it's no different than the truck. You can't haul anything in it other than you and what you're carrying. So... Alrighty, come on. Come on, come on, come on, now touch me, babe. Ba-dum, ba-dum. I'm a lumberjackin' baby. Since my chain saw you. We've been driving all day today. All day. It is 10 o'clock too. Wow. Is the dealership still going to be open? I don't know if they have closing hours yet, or if everything stays open 24/7 right now. All right. Come on, we're oh so close to getting it. So close. I guess I should be nice and put the lights on, huh? So I wonder what they do with the bark. It'd be nice if we could deliver them stuff and then maybe they make another product and we could pick it up and buy it. You know, like if they make mulch out of it. That'd be kind of cool. All right. Yep, we are going to break the bank and take everything that we have. Oh, and we did not do the little wheel wiggle. Okay. So we should have enough now to buy it. So let's hurry up and drive the tractor all the way back again. Then go and finally go buy the tractor. So, I mean, it's only going to take us, what, 15 minutes to drive back or so? We just won't know what to do with the extra speed. So do we just take a walk to the dealership? We could take a bus. We've been sitting in this tractor chair for a very long time now. I don't remember the last time I ate. That's what you're asking? I just don't remember. Don't care, don't care, don't care at all. Nope. Too bad we can't get out and push. I think we could, with us pushing, we might be able to go a little bit faster. All right, come on. Almost home, almost home. We can almost see home. I'm gonna be so excited I want to do a wheelie. Shoelaces are starting to look like pasta. All right. Well, pasta is filling, you know, full of carbohydrates. You know, it's actually quite nutritious. You know, it actually would work really good for a hungry lumberjack. All right, we'll do this right here. We'll put the trailer back, unhook it, and then go park the tractor. take it over to the garage here. And actually use the garage. We always seem to get off on the left side here, so. There we go. Okay, we want to go. Where is the store? Right there, right? And there's not a bus stop around there, really? Oh, that's right. We got to go to a bus stop in order to see the bus stops. All right, yeah, we need to eat something here. We're moving really slow. All right, there we go. Now we can actually run. All right, we have a bus stop over here. All right, let's go see if we have done it. Have we done it? Have you met Ted? All right. There we go. Yep, good. There's a bus stop right there. All right. It should be still right in the middle. Yep, there it is. It's still hooked up and everything too. Oh, no, it's not. Okay. Is this the one? This is the one that we did own at one time. That was the 90. So we want this one. 45,000 and oh, it's 90 plus 90,000. Ooh, I don't know if I want to do that now. That's going to take away all my social points. That's a lot of social points. 90. Well, you know, 90,000 is not too bad. You know, we're going to do it. We're going to do it. We're going to pull the trigger and do it. There we go. We have just bought the new tractor. And that leaves us with $1,104. And we would need 10,000 plus 21,000 or just 21,000 euros. So we got to save up to, we got to get 21,000 more. But we now have a nice, awesome, sweet tractor here. There we go. Oh yes, feel the power, feel the speed. So nice, so nice, so nice to have a nice tractor. All right, let's go take it for a little drive down the path here. Oh yeah, look at that, 39 kilometers an hour. I like it so much better than Mr. Putt-Putt. Mr. Putt-Putt has done us a tremendous job, though, of lasting us and getting us to this point. The uncle is not going to be jealous, though, because, well, he has the exact same tractor. So, even though ours only looks like to be a one-seater, his was a two-seater for some reason. He must have paid extra and got the option. So, alright, we are going to go hook up to our trailer just to make sure that there's no issues whatsoever. We should have saved it right before, and I didn't, and that's not a good thing on my part. So we're kind of stuck with this no matter what, unless I want to do all this all over again. And I don't want to. There we go. Oh yeah, this thing pulls this thing around with ease. Look at this stuff go. I like it. All right. Well, guys, unfortunately though, that is it for me today. So, we got the new trailer, or not the new trailer. We got a new tractor. We've sold just about everything, so we're back to the point where we need to just cut everything down again. Actually, no. Did we? We didn't. I don't think we actually sold everything. I think I have some more chipboard here that we can sell. Oh, as you just sit down, yeah. Yeah, we only have 5 more. So, yep, I need more wood. So, we need more wood. So, we got 89, right, 89? Where's it at? Yeah, 89 pallets ready to go in the dryers. The dryers are all full. These are going to take 6 more days to dry. So, and then we'll make some more money there. Oh yeah, I got to take them outside. So, oh, and we can't leave our tractor parked on a leaning on its side like that. So, we'll put it over there. There we go. Look at that thing, huh? That is a nice tractor right there. Nice screenshot of our brand new tractor. So, there we go. All right, so we'll make our way back. We'll check the honey. Check the greenhouse because we did not check that this morning. And so the next time we play, we'll start it all over again. Not all over again, I shouldn't say that, but we'll start a new, fresh day. So that'll be good. So we let the water just keep on going. We'll make our way up to the bed. But we just went through 90,000 social points here. That's a lot of social points. So anyways, as I'm doing all this here, guys, if you haven't done so already, please hit that follow button. If you're watching this on YouTube later, make sure you give me a nice thumbs up. Subscribe. You can subscribe on Twitch too if you guys want to. That's up to you. Donations are always welcome. Anything. But most of all, guys, just, stay safe out there and, be good. And, if you guys like this game, like I said, go to the Discord. Let them know you like it. If you don't like it, let them know you don't like it and why. All right. But anyways, guys, stay safe. Be good. This is Bone, and I'm going to see you all next time. So take care, guys. Thanks a lot. Bye.